We all have our preferred ways of relieving stress, and they can be very different. Some people like to exercise to blow off steam, while others prefer something like quiet meditation. As it turns out, even animals have their preferences too. For instance, rescue chicken Caroline wasn't doing well at the animal shelter, so a worker decided to foster her at home for a little while. That's the way they discovered the way this bird really loves to relax. Caroline the chicken was recently found in a Maryland suburb of Washington, D.C. The bird was covered in dirt and grime, had a deformed leg, and her wings were clipped. However, she was extremely friendly with her rescuers who brought her to a shelter. The chicken seemed to have been socialized around people, and it was a pleasure for the shelter workers to handle. But after 2 weeks there, she didn't seem to be getting much healthier. Cherie Kalina, the shelter's adoption coordinator, decided to bring her home. One of the first things Cherie did was give Caroline a nice warm bath, and she absolutely loved it. Getting rid of the dirt and grime she had accumulated seemed to relax the chicken and even helped with her congestion. In Cherie's home, Caroline began to thrive. She put on weight, got healthier, and grew even more affectionate with her foster mom, often sitting in her lap and snuggling. Things were certainly looking up for the friendly bird. Cherie had become very attached to Caroline and even misses her when she's away from her too long. The folks at Cherie's shelter still love the chicken as well, and they even think that one day Caroline could actually become a therapy chicken. What a sweet and affectionate bird. Hopefully Caroline's warm personality can be put to good use as a therapy animal. Share this story with your friends.